Good afternoon, everybody. This is Robbie here at Kris Willis RV. Today I'm going to talk to you about a Sabre 38 DBQ. This is a 2022 holdover model that we have, marked ready to go. Remember, guys, don't forget to like and follow us on Facebook and YouTube. But this particular unit comes with the dual batteries. The auto leveling system is already installed. It has the controller panel on the outside for the auto leveling and a panel on the inside. This unit comes with dual propane tanks. They are 20-gallon propane tanks. A lot of people like the 30-gallon propane tanks, but these are easy to swap out at any filling station. We'll come on here to the main storage. Large pass-through storage. All the water hookups are on the inside. Inside showers. This particular unit has a 10-gallon gas electric hot water heater. Furnace. As we're walking on around. This particular unit is a really nice bunkhouse. It has the 6-point auto leveling on it. Detachable 50-amp power cord towards the rear. Coming around, this unit has a true 2-inch receiver on the back. It is backup camera included. My favorite part about this camper, this is a bunkhouse model. It has a full bathroom that is accessible from the outside. So we'll talk more about this when we get inside. My second favorite thing about this camper is the full outdoor kitchen. Big refrigerator, sink, has the LP quick disconnect so you can plug your grill up out here. I mean, for an outside kitchen, this has all kinds of storage. We're going to come on around. Has the outside speakers. Guys, let's look at the inside of this. We're going to start on this side, work our way through. First, it has the center island, but the entertainment center has the radio, TV, all kinds of storage space. Now you look at this, it's so deep here, there's actually tons of storage behind the TV. Fireplace, 3-burner range top, oven, and pot and pan storage drawer, 4-door refrigerator, top refrigerator, dual freezer drawers, side pantry. Now this particular unit is a bunkhouse. As we walk in, same principle, all kinds of storage. Has a ladder to get up to the 2 bunks. The full bathroom is in the back. Then we come around on this side. It has the top bunk, which will also fold up. Has the tri-fold sofa in the back, so another place to sleep, but you mount your TV right across from it, so you have the kids in the back. Adults can stay in the living area, so there's plenty of room for people to... We'll go ahead and put this down. We're going to walk through here. 4 table and chairs. This is the second tri-fold sofa in the unit. I'm going to talk to you about the tri-fold because a lot of people think that the old Haida beds, it was really hard to open. I mean, they have came so far. It took about 30 seconds and we have this bed ready to go. Storage is the same. You can actually take this, fold this up in the morning, put your bedding inside, fold it up, And we are good to go. Here in the living area, all kinds of cabinet space. Drawers. Going up to the bedroom area. This is the centralized location, and 90% of Sabres will have the control screen that can turn the lights on, run the slide outs in and out, the air conditioner furnace thermostats, the 12-volt controller for the solar panels, porcelain toilet, tri-slide series shower doors. We're going to come into the bedroom. King-size bed, huge closet with shoe nook in the front. Washer dryer prep. Nice chest of drawers. TV backer so you can hang your TV on the wall.